clean and care for your mask. Let's get familiar with your Resmed AirTouch F30i full face mask. This is the cushion, frame, elbow, headgear, and magnetic clips. The AirTouch F30i full face mask features a comfy soft fabric cushion. There are two options available depending on your region. The AirTouch F30i Comfort, featuring a fabric-wrapped frame, and the AirTouch F30i Clear, featuring a clear silicone frame. Disassemble your mask. Before you clean your mask, you'll need to disassemble it. Turn the mask over. Undo the fastening tabs on the upper headgear straps and pull the headgear from the frame. Keep the magnetic clips attached to the lower headgear straps. After detaching the headgear, close the fastening tabs to prevent them from damaging the fabric sleeves when handling. Squeeze the side buttons on the elbow and detach from the frame. Grip the frame connector and lift to unclip the frame from the cushion. Repeat on the other side. Now that you've disassembled your mask, you're ready to start cleaning it. Daily cleaning. Your mask should be cleaned on a regular basis. Cushions should be cleaned daily. Soak the cushion in warm water with a mild liquid detergent. Hand wash only. There is no need to use a brush. Thoroughly rinse the cushion under running water. Make sure the vent holes are clean and clear. If the cushion is not visibly clean, repeat the cleaning steps. Squeeze the fabric cushion with a clean towel to remove excess water. Leave it to air dry out of direct sunlight. Weekly cleaning. The three components that should be cleaned weekly are your headgear, frame, and elbow. Soak the components in warm water with a mild liquid detergent. Hand wash the components with a soft bristle brush. Pay particular attention to the vent holes in the elbow. Thoroughly rinse the components under running water. If the sleeve on the frame becomes twisted, it can be repositioned when wet. Squeeze the headgear and the fabric frame with a clean towel to remove excess water. Make sure the anti-asphyxia valves are clean and clear. If the mask components are not visibly clean, repeat the cleaning steps. Leave them to air dry, out of direct sunlight. Reassemble your mask. Follow these steps to reassemble your mask. If the elbow ring detaches, insert it into the top of the frame. If the quiet air vent detaches, insert it into the cushion. Align and insert the frame connector tab into the oral cushion. Press down until the frame connector clicks in place. Repeat on the other side. Attach the elbow to the top of the frame. You should hear a click when it's securely attached. With the Resmed logo facing outwards and up, insert the upper headgear straps into the frame from the inside. Fold the fastening tabs over to secure. Now your mask is fully reassembled and ready for you to use again. Refer to your user guide for more information.